Using Koho's virtual card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can use Koho's virtual card. Well, the process is pretty simple. First things first, you need to have a Koho's virtual card by going to the Koho's app and then go to the card section and apply for a virtual card. However, after getting a Koho's virtual card, this is how it will look. Now, what you have to do is you can actually choose the card number and you can actually use it to make payments online like Amazon or any other place. However, you can actually add this card into your Apple or any wallet according to you. So what you have to do is you just have to tap on the button underneath the card to add it into your Apple wallet. Once it is added to your Apple wallet, you can actually make the contactless payments to your local stores as well. Now, your physical and virtual cards are actually prepaid cards. However, they are called as credit cards, which means you're getting the benefits like a normal credit card. You're getting the cashbacks and all the things. However, these cards are actually your prepaid cards, which means you won't be getting the overdraft or extra money unless you add some money into it. Now, what does this do is, according to Kuhu, it makes you, mindful or thoughtful while spending the money. You won't just spend it just because you know that there is no limit. So that's how you will spend more wisely. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to use Kuhu's virtual card. Hope you guys find this video helpful.